Hello, everyone. Uh, this is the last trading day of the week, and also the fourth trading day for my live trading. And it is a red day for me. It is a maximum loss day. I lost $28.31. So $28.31. I made 4 trades, which is also maximum of the number of trades I'm allowing myself to make per day. So this is Friday, and I'm making a recap of the day. And first of all, I think the first trade I made was on CHCI. This one. CHCI. Let's see, show trades here. This is totally chasing. I entered the trade on almost at the high of the day. I made this entry thinking that it could be a breakout, but it's a false one, so it rolled over here. My stop loss was here, so obviously this one only goes as far as here, 375. My stop loss was 3, around 3 area. I entered at 347, so I need to have like $50, 50 cents profit. So I need to have it near 390 area, 390, close to 4, in order to be justified to make an exit. So this is the first one. This is this trade. This one is inexcusable. I shouldn't do this, and this is not my strategy. This is purely out of an impulse. I just thought it is going to break out. It did break out a little bit, but turned out to be a false one, right? If I have my stop loss here, I could make $10 or more here. But since I put my stop loss here, so I need to have 1R, that is a $10 profit. I didn't get it. It was the maximum, the most I was the most profit I was to have was about $5. So bad trade. Shouldn't be done that way. If I entered, I should enter here or here, right? Here or here, not here, or even here is better. So I don't know. I don't know what I was doing. So this is a bad trade. And the second one I traded was on AIM. AIM here. AIM, I saw this stock having some kind of a reversal here. So I entered a trade here, expecting it to break the VWAP and go back to towards the high of the day. So that was my expectation. When I entered the trade here, I put my stop loss somewhere here. Yeah, here. Because this seems to be a reasonable support, right? But since I entered here and this gap is pretty big, I need to have this much gap. So at least it needs to go here for me to feel justified to make an exit, right? So it went here, met with the resistance at VWAP, and came back. Didn't stop me out. And it tried second time, it didn't go far. So I made an exit early exit. The reason for me to make the exit was because the time. It took too long. So on the 1 minute chart is like 25 minutes. On the 5 minute chart it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars. That's too long. So I decided to make an exit. But this thing actually eventually went to that high. See, 266 is my 1 hour target. It went as far as to 273. So I don't know. Should I have stayed? This could be a winner, right? It's all about trade management. So I don't know. This is ridiculous. Anyway, this is second trade, break even. I think is 1.25, $1 or something. It's basically a break-even trade for me. And the third trade I made was on ADAP. ADAP. This one. This one is also ridiculous. Let me see why I made this trade. So this is also a chasing trade. How many times did I chase, right? So no chasing. Look at this one. I made an entry here expecting it to be high of the day, pre-market high. Stop loss was here. I based this entry on a 5 minutes chart. So I made an entry here, put my stop loss here and stop out here. 5-minute entry. I don't know, is it good trade or not? I don't think so. Going back to 1 minute, it's like this. If you look at a 1 minute chart, it's ridiculous, right? If I made an entry here, put a stop loss here, I could be, it could be a winner. Anyway, this is the third trade, $10 loss. I think there's some slippage on it, more than $10, something like that. But anyway, about $10 lost. Third trade was this one. This is third one. I made an entry here. I think it's also based on 5 minute. Yeah. Is it? No. It's on 1 minute chart. But why did I do so? Yeah. I put a stop loss here. And I should make an entry here. But instead, I made an entry here. Reason is because there is a kind of a breakout for me. I thought this is a breakout. This is a breakout. At that time, I was thinking breakout plus 1 minute candle making new high. So I made this entry. But it didn't hold. See? My stop loss was here. And it rolled over. Boom. So third loser, $10 loss. So I got two $9 loss and one $10 something loss. Today the total loss is $28.31. My max loss per day is $30, and my max trade per day is 4 trades. So I used up all my allowable trades and the dollars for today. So that's it for the recap. And what lesson did I learn today from this red day? Well, number one, I think, is the chasing thing. This happened almost every time when I had a red or had a loser. So I need to remember not to chase. And secondly, I think almost every time, every trading day since Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I traded for four trading days, and I didn't trade on Tuesday. So Wednesday to Friday, the first trades of the day was always a loser. One of the reasons is chasing the stock. The second reason is that I entered too early. So starting next week, I need to make some small adjustment. The first adjustment I need to make is to remind myself not to chase the stock. If I miss an opportunity, I'll let it go. Second, I will not trade within the first 15 minutes. So I need to wait after the 15th bar on the first minute chart or third bar is completed on the 5-minute chart. So these are the two adjustments I'm going to make, and I will see what happens next week. So no chasing, no rushing in, and I'll see what happens next week. So this first week is a red week. My total loss for this week is I think it's $20 to $40, about $40 something. I also have a maximum loss for the month, so I cannot exceed $90 per month in terms of the total loss. Currently I've used $40, so I still got like $50 to lose. I hope not, but May is coming to an end. I might be lucky. So starting, I think in 2 days time, next week, right, Monday will be a new day and a new month. Monday, June the 1st will be a new day, new beginning for me. So hopefully everything I will turn a new page and everything will start turn out to be good. Okay, that's it. I think today is the recap of the day and recap of the week, and also recap of the month of May. I have a red day, red week, red month. Hopefully June will be a green month for me. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. So see you. Bye.